Good morning, children. Today's topic handball. First, introduction. Handball is also known as team handball, European handball, or Olympic handball. It is a team sport. Two teams of 7 players each, 6 outcourt players and a goalkeeper pass a ball using their hands with the aim of throwing into the goal of other team. Origins and developments. Youth playing a version of handball circa 500 BC. A postage stamp from East Germany depicting handball at the 1972 Olympics. Rules. After receiving the ball, player can pass, keep position or shoot the ball. Players are not allowed to touch the ball with their feet. The goalkeeper is the only one allowed to use the feet but only within the goal area. If possessing the ball, player must dribble similar to a basketball dribble or can take up to 3 steps for up to 3 seconds at a time without dribbling. No attacking or defending players other than the defending goalkeeper are allowed to touch the floor of the goal area within 6 meters of the goal. The ball may not be passed back to the goalkeeper when they are positioned in the goal area. A shot or pass in the goal area is valued if complete before touching the floor. Goalkeepers are allowed outside the goal area but are not allowed to cross the goal area boundary with the ball in their hand. Playing court. Handball is played on a court 40 by 20 meters, 131 feet, 2.8 inches into 65 feet, 7.40 inches within a goal in the center of each end. The goals are surrounded by a near semicircle area called the zone. The crease defined by a line 6 meters from the goal. Referees. A handball match is adjudicated by 2 equal referees from some national bodies. Allowed games with only a single referee in special case like illness or short note. The referees, blue shirts, keep both teams between them. Goalkeeper. Only the goalkeepers are allowed to move freely within the goal perimeter. Within the zone, they are allowed to touch the ball with all parts of their bodies, including their feet, with a defensive aim. Ball. The ball is spherical and must be made either of leather or a synthetic material. It is not allowed to have a shiny or slippery surface, as the ball is indicated to be operated by a single hand. Its official size vary depending on age and gender of the participating teams. Ball size: size 3 male over 16, circumference 58 to 60. Size 2 woman and male over 12 and female 14, circumference 54 to 56. Size 1 over 8, circumference 50 to 52. Avoided throws: throw off: a throw off takes place from the center of the court. Throw in: the team which do not touch the ball last is avoided a throw in. When the ball fully crosses the sideline or touch the ceiling. Goalkeeper throw: the goalkeeper resumes the play with a throw from anywhere within the goal area. Free throw: a free throw restarts the play after an interruption by the referees. 7-meter throw: a 7-meter throw is avoided when a clear change of scoring is illegal, permitted anywhere on the court by opposing team players, officials or spectator. Penalties: penalties are given to players in progressive format for fouls that requires more punishment than just a free throw. Yellow card shown in a handball match. Game play. Formation: offense red, left arch, right arch, left wing, right wing, center forward, center. Defense blue, goalkeeper, left arch, right arch, left wing, right wing, center. Offensive play. First wave attacks are categorized by absence of defending players around the goal perimeter. Second wave: the first wave is not successful and some defending players have gained their position around the zone. The second wave come into play. Third wave: the third wave evolves into the normal offensive play when all defenders not only reach the zone but gain their accustomed position.
Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay home. See you in next class.